Um, Good day, everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel once again. So today I'll be showing you how to design a cryptocurrency investment website with great features. This particular script is a new script. So in case after you finish watching this video and you need the script, you can get in touch with me to purchase it. You can just chat me up on WhatsApp and you just describe the script, and then you just you can just send me this video that you need the script, and I will send it to you. So let's get started. As a newbie, like a newbie website developer who just started developing websites, if you want to actually build a website, you first of all need to get a domain and hosting. But me, I already have a domain and hosting and a cPanel details. After registering in your hosting company, and then after ordering after ordering or making payment for your domain name and hosting, you will receive a cPanel, a control panel details, which you use to log into your control panel. Yeah, I already have that. So I'll be logging into my control panel now, installing the scripts. What we are working on is a new what I'm trying to show you how to design. I'm trying to show you how to design like a very good investment website with a script. It won't take me it won't take it won't take much time. You can design this kind of website for people and charge them like 200 to 300k, some 400k, even 500k. You understand? So if you need this kind of script, if you need this script, you can get in touch with me and I will send them to you. So let's get started. So this is my control panel. This is my control panel. So now I want to start installing my scripts and investment scripts inside. I go to file manager. So if you are developing a new website, if you are developing a new website and you are installing the script inside a control panel, you have not installed any files before, you can install it directly under your public underscore HTML. But if you have not, maybe you want to, if you maybe you have files inside the control panel, you can install it inside a folder. You understand? But now right now I want to install it inside this public underscore HTML because I don't have any files in this control panel. So I want to install it inside. But in case you have files, you can also create folder and then install it inside the folder. Do you understand? So let me upload the file. You click on upload. So you come here, click on upload. Click on select file. So it's now loading. So you allow it to load completely and show 100%. When it show 100, this blue color will turn to green. So you allow it to turn to green first. When it turns to green, that means it has fully uploaded. So right now it's uploading step by step, little by little. So as you can see, it has shown green. So I can go back, click on reload, click here, reload. So now we need to extract the files. Extract. Good. You reload again. Good. So these are the files inside that zip files are uploaded. After extracting, it's going to bring out all the files inside that zip files you uploaded. So what we need to do next is for us to connect the database. So but we have to create database first before connecting. So let's create database. Database. So you come here and click on password generator. Generate password and you copy. So after you make sure you copy. When you copy, you click I have copied this password in a safe place. You need to copy it and keep it in a safe place. You understand? So me, I usually save my things inside notepad. You can save it anywhere you feel like it will be safe. Use password. Create. So you copy this one also and keep it in a safe place too. So you make sure you click on all privileges and you click on make changes. Good. So now you have to locate where the database file is. So I'll come to this config. You see database here. Can you see that? Database. You right click and edit it. This is where the database is. Database URL. The URL for my website is this one. So I'll copy it. Copy. Paste. DB host, leave this one. DB port, leave this one. Database. So this is where you now need these things you created. You copy, paste. Copy again. Copy the username and you paste. And you copy the password. Password. Good. So when you are done, you save it. Please, when you are pasting all these things, be very careful. You see the way I did it. So be very careful. Don't make mistake. Don't copy space. The copy space is not going to work. It will not work. So after that, you look for your database file. Database file. You look for it. Then you come to your PHP. You come here. Search PHP my admin. So this is my PHP my admin. You come to your PHP my admin to upload your database file. So you click on the database you created, which is this one. It's over here. Click on it. Click on import. So I have, in your database file, you are going to get your database file when you purchase the script. Everything, once you purchase the script, everything will be there for you. It's just for you to install it and then it's just for you to install it and then do your setup. Get. So you click on import, come to browse. See database. Can you see that this one? Database. Double click. Then you scroll down and click on import. Can you see that? Import has been successfully finished. So it's uploaded successfully. So these are your database files. So now we're going to locate the admin. Now first of all, let's try to load the website and see if it will work. So you copy your domain name, you open a new tab and paste it, check it. Can you see that it worked? It worked. Can you see that it worked? So let's try to log in our admin now. You have to know your admin. You have to, when you buy the script, you will see a documentation file there that will tell you your admin. They will tell you your admin link, as in your admin login link. You get. So this is your admin link. Admin URL is this. So the admin URL is your URL/admin login/remedy. So you have to copy your website URL. Then replace this your URL with your website URL and you click enter. Good. This is your admin login link. So this is your admin login details. Sign in. So as you can see, this is your admin dashboard. So Now you are welcome to the admin dashboard. So we can now, from this place, we can now edit the admin. You can edit the website from the admin. You can, when you come to this place, you click here, you see account settings. You can change your password. You can change the first name, change the last name, put the phone number you want to be using. You can enable two-factor authenticator here. You can change your password from here, the old password. Then you put your old password. You put it, which is that password I just copied. You can put it. Then put your new password. That is it. Then this is your dashboard. This is where you see everything. This is where you see everything all the users does. Anybody that register, you see it here. Can come to user. If you want to see the number of people that have registered in your website, you can come to users. Can you see that? Now let's do some setup. Let's set the admin up first so that I can register and test it. You see it by yourself. So app settings, website name. Let's just use Filmwave. Website title, welcome to Filmwave Investment Company. Website keywords. Excuse me, please. Website URL. So you put your website URL there. Website description. So you can just write your description. What your website is all about. Announcement. Whatever you put here is going to display as the front end, the dashboard of every user. So whatever you want to announce, maybe you have something to announce, maybe a giveaway, something like that, then you can upload it here. Welcome messages for new registered users. So whatever you want, when somebody registers, it will show them a welcome message. So whatever you want the website to be showing them, you can type it here. You put your WhatsApp phone number here. Video live chat. You are going to create live chat. For those of you that doesn't know how to create it, I'm going to do a video for that one. How to create live chat, different live chat. There are different kind of live chats you can use. We have talk to, we have TDO, we have smart sub, we have Jivo, we have Crips. There are so many. So anyone that you like, or anyone your client, your customer require, anyone your customer wants, you can create anyone. Then you copy the code. There's a code after you finish creating the live chat account. There's a code they are going to give you there, generate for you. You copy it and then this is where you come and paste it. Understand? Okay, this one is TDO live chat ID. So when you are done creating the live chat, you can call this one is basically for TDO, not any other live chat. This one is basically for TDO. So if you studio you want to use, yeah, after creating studio account, you can copy the ID and come here and paste it. You understand? But if you want to use other kind of live chat, yeah, you can just ignore this one. Then you create your live chat. There's a way you are going to install it in your website at the footer, the bottom footer of every page. It will display, or you go to your footer page and click and paste it there. It's going to display as a universal. It's going to display universally. Any page you open, it will display. You get. So yeah, you browse the logo. Before this, you must have created a logo. You get. You must have created a logo for this. Well, let me say, it seems like I have a logo for change the logo. And the passphrase. So you put the passphrase. The passphrase. When you get in touch with me, then I can send you what the passphrase is. You get. When you get in touch with me and you buy the script from me, then I can tell you what my passphrase is. You get. So after that, you click on update and allow it to load. So you can see settings saved successfully. So we'll go to the next one, which is preference. So contact email. You put your contact email. So you have to create email. So you come here and type email. I already created email, but I will have to delete these emails. You understand? So let me create them from beginning so that you guys will see. So you guys will see how to create for those who doesn't know how to create email. So when you come here, you click email, you type email here, uh to open like this, and then you click on create, click on, so you type in the username, contact, generate password. Let's just use this one as the password. Copy it, make sure you copy it and paste it somewhere because it will disappear if you don't copy it. So you click on create. So it has created. So let's copy it here. Website currency, you choose the website currency. Which currency do you want the website to be using? Is it dollar? Which currency you choose? I'm using dollar, so let me leave it at dollar. Home page URL. So in case you are putting another front end at that public underscore HTML, that means you'll be installing this back end inside the folder. So you have to put the home page URL here. So this is my home page URL. Announcement. So if you want to make announcement from the admin, maybe you understand that maybe if withdrawals have been suspended, you can make announcement. Maybe there will be no there will be no withdrawals. Withdrawals are not allowed for so period, or maybe you are trying to do giveaway. You want people to see the announcement at their in their dashboard. You can put it on. But if you don't want to make an announcement, you can put it off. Weekend trades. If you want people to be trading during weekends, you can put it on. Withdrawals. If you want people to be able to withdraw, you click on enable. If you want to disable withdrawal, you click on disable. Same as this one, same as this, same as this. If you want people to be verifying their KY to be uploading their KYC, that is know your customers. If you want people to be uploading their KYC, which is know your customers, you can put it on. You get that means people will have to upload KYC. So maybe their ID card, national ID card, or international passport or driver's license. Then you have to approve it. You get. If you want people to be maybe uploading KYC when they want to register, maybe not after when they have already registered, but when they are the process of registering, you can enable it. Even this one. If you want users to be receiving email verification when they finish registration, you should receive email verification before they'll be able to log into their dashboard. You enable it. If you don't want that, you can disable it. Return capital. So after investment, when someone invests and the investment has been completed, and if you want the capital they used to invest to return back to the user dashboard, this is where you are going to edit it. You click yes, but if you don't want, you click no. You understand? So let's save the little changes we have made. Settings saved successfully. So you go to the next one, or let's go. Okay, this is the next one. So now this is where you set email. You do your email setup. If you don't set here well, your website will not be able to be sent will not be able to send emails to users. So you have to make sure you set it well. So to me, I usually use to send mail, you put your email, your website email. That email we just created, that's the one I'm going to copy and put there now. Email from name, put your company's name, Google login credentials. You can just leave this one, click on save. Good. Come to SMTP, save this one. So your SMTP host, what is your SMTP host? Now that email you created, you go there, look for it. That email you created, you go there, you look for it. Then you come to this connect devices. Good. So here you're going to see your SMTP host. So this is your SMTP host, outgoing. Good. So what is your port? Which port are you using? Which port is there? 465. Put it. GTLS or SSL? Okay, SSL or TLS. You can leave it at TLS. SMTP username. This is the username. This is the username here. Username. That is the email. The email is the username. So the password, that is why I say you should save that password that time. Anytime you are creating your password, email password, any password you are creating, find somewhere to save it because you will need it later. So you click on save. Good. For the next one. So in case you want to change your theme, you can change your theme from here. You can edit your theme and change it. You can change your theme. Maybe you have a separate theme. You don't want to use the theme, this design. But this particular design, you want to change your own. You want to change it to your own. You can upload the thing here and save it. You get? So let's click to the next. Let's go to the next one, which is okay. Have I showed you guys referral bonus? No. Let's go to the next one, which is referral bonus. So this is the place where you put the percentage you want people who refer to get. Like when somebody refers somebody to your website, how many percentage? Like when somebody refer somebody, when a person, a user refer another user to your website, how many percent do you want them to have? You understand? So you set it up based on level. You get maybe if user A registers and refer user B, how many percentage do you want user A to get? And when user B refers, how many percentage do you want user B to get and user A? That's what they call by that is what they call by indirect referral. Since it's user A that refer user B and user B refer another person, user B is going to get his referral bonus and user A is also going to get referral bonus also. So you can set up your referrals here. So you click on other bonus. Maybe you want if you want users to get bonus when they register in your website, you can put it here. If you also want users to get bonus when they deposit in your website, you can put it here. So when you are done, you click on update. 20%. Let me say maybe you want them to get maybe 20. This one is not percentage. Oh. Yes, you can see it's dollars. So you don't put it in percent. If you are putting, if you put 20 here, that means you want your user to get $20 bonus when they register. Let me say $5. But here, deposit bonus. Maybe if you use a deposit $100, so maybe you are saying you want the user to get 10% from every deposit he makes. That is 10%. Or maybe if you use a deposit $100, they are going to get deposit of $10. You understand? So you click on update. For example, so you are the one that knows what you want. So you put what you want. So go to payment settings. You set up your payment method. Set up your payment method. What payment method do you want to be using to receive payment? Do you want to use credit card? If you want credit card, you enable it. Any payment method you want, you enable. The one you don't want, you disable. You can disable, you can enable. You can enable, you can disable. So you can see Bitcoin here, Ethereum, Litecoin. Anyone you want that is not here, you can add. Come here, you click on add. You put the minimum amount, maximum amount. You put the payment method name, put the charges, put the type of currency. If it's crypto, you put the image of the cryptocurrency. If it's Bitcoin, you put the URL to the Bitcoin logo. You put the website address, the QR code in which user will scan when making payment. Like Trust Wallet is to have QR code which user will scan, and the ones they scan it, they will just make payment automatically. You can put it. You put the network status. If you want it to be active, if you want it to be enabled, if you want to disable, you disable. If you don't want it to be active, you click on disable. If you want it to be active, you click on enable. Understand? So once you are done, the passphrase I told you that when you purchase the script from me, I'm going to send you the passphrase. So once you are done, you click on save method. So let's go to payment preference. So you just come here and set up all these places. You set up the deposit option, manual deposit. If you want automatic, you set up automatic, but manual is preferable, please. So manual deposit amount, put the amount, the minimum deposit amount, minimum in the, like someone cannot pay less than this amount. If once anybody registers in your once any user registers in your website, the person cannot pay less than $5. You understand? Mhm. So you do your setup, you save, you come to this place also, coin payment. If you want to set up coin payment, but this coin payment is for automatic. So if you want to set up coin payment, you have to get your merchant ID, coin payment pin secret, you fill all the details necessary. Click on save. Gateways. If you want to accept Stripe as method of payment, then you make sure you have to have all these keys, all these requirements, the Stripe secret key. You need to have it. You register at Stripe website, create an account with them, register. You get your secret keys. You get your secret keys, your publishable key. If you want to use PayPal, the same thing. You have to have all the requirements before using this method of payment. See the one for Binance, see the one for Flutterwave, see the one for Paystack, see the one for PayPal, see the one for Stripe. This script is a very powerful script. So if you want transfer, maybe you want to be receiving transfer as method of payment, so they will transfer money to your account. You can use this one. Minimum transfer amount. How much is the minimum amount you want them to transfer? That is the minimum amount client to be able to transfer. Like client cannot be able to transfer less than that amount, that particular amount. You can put the minimum amount here, put the charges, you save. So that is it. You come to swap settings. So some users will like to swap, maybe they want to swap a particular, maybe they want to swap maybe for example they want to swap, they have $100 worth of Bitcoin and they want to swap to USDT inside your website. So you can set up the exchange fee here, maybe $2 as an exchange fee. You get. So that is just it. So now these are the only allowed currencies they can be able to swap. You can swap Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Chainlink, Binance Coin, Tether, Bitcoin Cash. These are the only allowed coins that they can be able to swap. Anyone you don't want to be in the list, you can disable it. You get. It's just like Binance. In Binance and all these exchange platform, you can swap from USDT to Bitcoin, you can swap from Bitcoin to USDT, you can swap from XRP to USDT. So that is just it. The same thing with this one. So you can set up your exchange fee. If they are swapping, they should know that they should be aware that they are paying so charge fee, exchange fee when they swap. That is it. So when you put your charge, you can click on save. You understand? So for example, then this place now is for, if for example you don't want a particular user to be able to access your website, for when you are when you are using, there are some live chats like most of the live chat like TDO, Talk to Smart Sub, when a user enters into your website, it displays their IP address. So let me say, for example, you don't want a user to be entering to be able to log into your website at all. You can just copy their IP address from that smart sub, from that live chat, come here, paste it, and then you can blacklist it. Once that user enter, once that user when they try to log in, they won't be able to log in because their IP address has already been blacklisted. Do you get? So this script is a very powerful script. It's nice. So if you need it, get in touch with me so I can send it to you. You understand? So I'm going to register as a user, then I will show you the dashboard. I will show you the dashboard of this script, the user dashboard. This is the admin dashboard. So I'm going to show you the user dashboard. So let me show you. Let me register. Then log in. So email. I don't know the currency that Austria uses, but let me check online. Euro. Okay, the Austria uses euro, which is this one. So let me just put a random phone number here. Let me use. So I'll click on I agree, then I'll click on register. Click on register. So I'll log in. The username, the email. Put the password. I'll log in. Good. So this is the dashboard. So if you want to deposit, you can click on deposit. So this is how the dashboard looks like. Just like a trading dashboard. And so click on deposit. You choose the method of the method of payment you want to use. Put the amount. Click on continue. And this is the wallet address. copy. After making payment, you click on the user. You click on you upload the receipt, the invoice. After making payment, you upload the proof. Then you click on send proof of deposit. This is also the QR code. In case someone don't want to copy the wallet address, they can just scan this code and make payment. So this is how the user dashboard looks like. You can also withdraw funds. You don't have any money. You don't have any money in your account, so there's no amount, there's no funds you can withdraw. So you must have deposited before you can withdraw. You must have deposited, then run some trades. Then when you make profits, then you withdraw. That is how it works. So as you can see here, is warranting that you make deposit first and then do some trades, maybe invest in a plan. Then when you make profits, you withdraw. Then another one. So this is how the website works. User can choose their plan, click on buy a plan. So these are different plans. These plans you can edit them from admin. You can add more plans in case you are not comfortable, you are not okay with these ones, you can add more. If you want to edit, you can edit, you can reduce. So that is it from the admin panel. So the admin have control over the user side, user panel. You get. That is it. So if I should choose any plan here now, let me say I want to invest 600 euro. Click on join plan. So you say your account is insufficient to purchase this plan. Please make your deposit. Before you can choose a plan, you have to make a deposit first. Make sure you already have you already make a deposit. Make sure you already made a deposit to your account and you have some amount, you have funds in your account before you can invest on any plan. So that is it. That is that for this script. And also you will have to you can edit, change all these logos, the names. You go to your C panel, your control panel. You can change this design, you can edit the design. If you are someone that wants to build a website with this kind of script, you should know that, and if you don't want to use these designs, or you want to change some certain things, you should have a little idea about coding or programming. So you can go to from your file manager, your C panel, your file manager, you'll be able to locate the files to these pages, and then you edit them. Understand? Locate the files to these pages and edit them. You understand? So edit the home page. You can edit the home page, edit the about us page from your file manager here. The files are located in your file manager. Let me say for example, you want to edit your terms and condition page, or let me say you want to edit your about us page. For example, you want to edit your about us page. This is your about us, right? So you have to locate your about us inside your file manager. Come to polygon_html, you come to resources. I'm just trying to show you. I'm not going to edit. When you buy the script and you want to build your own, and you would like to maybe you would like to make changes to some of the write-ups there, then you can edit them. You can locate them and edit. So let me just show you where you can get them. So I'll click on resources, click on views, I'll come to user, I'll go to go to home. Then you can see, look at about.blades.php. So whatever I edit here will reflect there. So let me say this is the about us page, right? Let me say I want to edit this, connect with the right broker. For example, now just trying to show you an example. Control H to find. Can you see? I can change it. Maybe I'll say collect to the right investment company. You understand? So when I reload it now, you see that it's going to reflect what I've edited. Can you see that? Connect with the right investment company. So that is it. That is how you can edit the pages one by one. So thank you for watching this video for my YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you wish to be getting more videos like this in the future, because I'll be posting videos that are beneficial to you, because I have different scripts in which you might need, you get, as a programmer. So make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. And in case you purchase the script, if you have any question, you can just get in touch with me via my WhatsApp contact below this video. Thank you. See you in my next video.